Thank you. Okay, guys.
Yeah, go ahead.
We're working on a 2016 Honda HRV. And I put CRV now that I said it to myself. We're going to go to HRV. This is a 2016 Smart Key. Push to start. This is the working key. We have another non-working key we're going to program. So we're going to go into the system here, start the vehicle to the on position. We're going to let we'll do add a key. Switch the ignition off. We got to follow what the machine tells us. Place a learned key in the vehicle. Take all keys. A learned key. Oh, this is the learned key.
So establishing vehicle connection. Condition checking, please wait.
Okay, take all out of the keys. Go take about 5 meters away from the car.
Good.
Hold on. Bring me the new one. The one the gentleman has.
Where's the gentleman? Here's the gentleman. Have the key.
That's the good one. That's the good one,
All right, and we're gonna hold it right here, and you can see it's gonna send out the signal to the key. The ignition switch is off. At this point,
Take a picture of the coding machine.
at this point, the remote starts to work. Please turn the ignition on. Yes, the lights are off. Ignition is off.
Unknown caller.
Ignition on.
Don't press the foot brake. Alright,
Registration is complete.
that's it.
Check all keyless remote start.
Alright guys, we see that it starts.
Job is
I'm gonna
complete.
take the other one. Thanks for watching.